What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got Clayton here for this one. We got a cool little drone here from the company Hisingy. It's a little tiny one. We're gonna try it out in this video and see how it is. I have to be honest, if there's one thing that I think right off the rip of this company is that the marketing is awesome. Like, you get a little comic strip here. It says buzz, swoosh, beep beep, whirl, boom. And that's exactly what I think when I see this thing.
Let's not do the boom.
Yeah, no boom.
That's impressive.
So let's see. This is the Mach 500. Fly smarter, not harder. Just a little basic drone here. This company does make a lot of FPV stuff too. So if you're interested in anything like that, guys, and this thing looks cool to you, then check out their website. Looks like it's got coreless motor, so they're not brushless. Yeah, there's no brushless motors on this, right? Yeah, no, these are just regular brush motors. Flight controller chassis. It's a very basic drone, but it is brand new, and they're kind enough to send it to me to review. Let's try it and see if it's any good. You want to open it up?
Sure.
I love the branding. Polar bear with like a little mechanical heart engage.
From Iron Man.
Yes, exactly.
The arc reactor.
The arc reactor, yes. Very cool looking drone. It looks like a spaceship. It's actually got good weight to it too.
Probably flies good, honestly.
They also sent me this Firefly propeller in case one of them flies off, because that definitely does happen sometimes. And we got a second battery, which is really cool. 950 milliamp LiPo. It's only one cell. It's 3.7 volts. So here's the remote. Lots of buttons on here. LED on off, circle fly. Ooh, it's got circle fly. Speed, flip, left right trim, calibrate the gyro, take off land, and headless gyro mode. An emergency stop, long press. Okay, cool. It's actually very, very feature full for a basic drone. But I mean, actually, look at this thing. It's really, really cool looking. It looks like a spaceship. It could have just been just a normal drone, but they went ahead and they put this awesome spaceship looking thing on it.
It's like something out of a movie.
It really is. I'm impressed. I just want to go over the other things here. It looks like we got this cool little card. It's the small things, guys. They take the time to print out this special little card. It wouldn't surprise me if they have a whole little game, to be honest. That's a little sticker. There's some information, guys, if you want to scan it and go find out more. Very, very nice marketing. Some of the best marketing on any RC thing I think I've ever seen, to be honest. Oh, it's got a whole comic strip. When alien warships tore through the Arctic, there's a whole story with drawings. That's unbelievable. And then some stickers. Oh, stickers. And then your manual. There's a bunch of, get some good stuff in here.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys. So just want to mention this. The battery just slides right in, and then you didn't even hit it on button, did you? Just turned on, right?
Yeah, it's on.
All right. Let's see.
All right, it's connected. You have to push this down, and then we're gonna do the auto takeoff. Or actually, I'm gonna try to take off myself. Whoa.
Ooh. Looks like it's got plenty of power.
Alright, up to speed. So there's 3 speed settings. This is full speed here.
Oh, flip mode.
Can I do backward? Nah, just don't flip.
What do you think?
It's great.
Yeah? It looks good. For a little micro drone, it seems like it's got plenty of power.
It does.
I actually really like how it looks like a spaceship. I think that's like super unique. It's got front blue lights and then back lights, which are red. Mind if I try it?
Yeah. All right, here we go, Mike.
So what's circle fly?
I'm not sure.
I think it's doing this automatically. I'm not sure what that's doing. I'll have to look into that. This is definitely a good little beginner drone. It's not too aggressive. Okay, I used the emergency stop for that. Great beginner drone, not too aggressive, flies nice. It's not gonna flip over unless you push that flip button right there. I tried this little circle fly. I'm not exactly sure what it did. It looked like it kind of came over to us, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's to bring it back here. I'll check the manual for that. It's not bad. I think this is probably a better indoor flyer than an outdoor flyer. I think outdoor it's a little
It did pretty
underpowered.
good for being outside, but
Yeah.
definitely better inside.
I totally agree. But, I mean, you can't go wrong. Mach 500 micro drone here. I also just figured out that this little canopy here opens, which is kind of cool. You could maybe throw something very small in there.
A bug.
It's not a bad idea. You want to get some extra flight with an ant. You want to send an ant into the sky because he's not a flying ant. He wasn't born as a flying ant. Well, you can do it here with the Mach 500. This retails for $49.99, which is a pretty good price for this. It's got a lot of weight. That's the one thing I'm seeing compared to lots of other micro drones. It actually has a lot of weight. It feels like this can take a hit. These blade props aren't just for show. They actually feel like
They're pretty strong.
It feels like if this was a real vehicle, you could actually fly it. Well, that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for helping me make it, Clayton.
No problem.
We'll see you in the next one.
Later.
Later.